Alinea Invest is a Gen Z-focused app that lets you invest through thematic playlists, bundles of stocks, and ETFs built around ideas like AI, clean energy, or wellness. It's sleek mobile first, offers fractional shares, and has no account minimums, making it super beginner-friendly. Now, here's the catch. Alinea charges a $96 annual membership fee, which is steep compared to commission-free brokers like Fidelity or Schwab. Some users also report difficulties withdrawing funds and even unexpected charges, with Trustpilot complaints about poor customer service and tricky cancellations. That said, others have praised its clean interface, simple educational tools, and community features, like maybe Time Machine, which shows you past investments and how they would have grown. For absolute beginners who want guided portfolios and an easy app experience, it is appealing if you don't mind paying a little extra. Bottom line is, Alinea is fun and it's approachable, but if you care about low fees and flexibility, traditional brokers or robo-advisors might be the smarter move. Would you want me to line it up against Betterment and Fidelity Go for a side-by-side comparison? Let me know in the comments below.